Gardening improves physical health and produces nutritious homegrown goodies. To me personally, gardening is very therapeutic. It helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. And above all, I love to experiment with different kinds of plant. And last year, I tried growing ginger roots and turmeric.
Hello and welcome back to Bhavna's Kitchen and Living. Of course, today I'm not in my kitchen, I am in my garden. It's time for me to come out and start enjoying beautiful weather outside here, and also harvest some of the root vegetables that I planted like a few months ago. And it's time for me to harvest them. So I'm going to actually harvest today ginger, mango ginger, and turmeric, amba haldi, pili haldi, and adrak. So
All the leaves have dried out, as you can see, and I took out all the dry leaves, and I am ready to harvest now. So this one has, as far as I remember, turmeric, fresh turmeric roots that we are going to dig.
okay. So let's get the gloves on. If you have been watching me for a while now, you might have noticed that I do use a lot of kitchen scraps, meaning that whatever vegetable even I buy from the grocery, sometimes I make use of them and I regrow some of the vegetables, and this is part of that. Now when we buy the roots vegetables or herbs like ginger, turmeric and all that, not all of them will grow, because what the grocery, we already found one, look, what the grocery people do, like they want to stop grow the roots, so they use some kind of chemical, they treat them. If you buy organic one, probably you may be able to grow again from them. So what I did was I wish I could have like done that video, but I will do the video when I grow them next time. So I basically take their eyes, like where they start sprouting, so you cut that part, like take a good chunk of it and then just poke into the soil and they grow. It's that simple. So let's see how much we get from this container. It's mostly roots, a lot of roots, as you can see. Look at that, it's like a cake. Look at that. So I'm going to continue taking out turmeric. Ooh, smells so good. So as you can see, I will wash them later and I'll show you how amazing they look. The color inside of the turmeric is very vibrant. Oh my god, look at this one. Let me actually get the camera closer here. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I love to use scraps from my kitchen and regrow all some of the vegetables and roots and stuff like that. Look at this one, how beautiful it is. So as you can see, if I cut this part, these are called eyes, and if I cut them again and I just poke them into soil again, they will grow. So look at all this turmeric. So if you find that the roots are not growing from the store-bought ginger or haldi or ginger or turmeric, then you can soak them like a couple of days in water. That will remove the chemical that they have used to prevent them sprouting. So it is really hard to clean these things, but once you like get them out, it's fun to use them in recipes. So that is the main root. As you can see, this was the plant, the leaves, they were out, they were nice and green. That also adds some greenery to your garden. Oh my god, when they were like green, I will try to include the clip that I did the video earlier. Oh, look at the color. Oh my goodness, I simply love it. Oh my god, they smell so amazing. That's the beauty about gardening, is like it wakes up all the senses when you smell the herbs, sometimes the fresh crispy vegetables, even the lemon tree I have. The smell of the lemon is like my natural like oil, essential oils. So I mean, this root could grow even more, but because the winter hit really harsh, and so I'm just going to go ahead and harvest them, but then I'm going to just go ahead and get the roots again into the soil in hope that they will regrow. I'm having a lot of fun right now. So as you can see, oh my god, look at that, it's like a cake. I simply love to just work with this kind of things. Oh my goodness, look at this one, that has lots of roots. I mean, lots of turmeric in it. Sometimes it's kind of good muscle work because, oh my god, that's so hard. Okay, I got this. Alright, I hope that you guys are having fun just like I'm having fun right now. Oh my god, I just want to keep on breaking them. They just smell so amazing when I break them. So this was turmeric, and next we are going to do like a ginger and mango ginger. You might be thinking, what is mango ginger? It's we call it the amba haldi, which is like the root that has the flavor of ginger and mango combined, and that's why it's called mango ginger. So amazing taste. You can make pickles out of it. We use in a curry masala. Tastes amazing. But yeah, pickle is the best option. Chutneys even, they can be used in chutneys. Oh my god, you should watch my videos of amba haldi, pili haldi chutney, or the pickles. Oh my god, that's so amazing. So what I'm doing here again is I'm just going to poke the roots back into the container, and as you can see, like lots of roots, and I also kept some of the eyes in them, so the small turmeric that were in there, I didn't take them out. They will continue growing this season now. So that's done, and look at how much I got. Right, look at how much I got from this small container. So now I'm going to wash everything together. So now I'm going to take out some ginger and mango ginger, and now I'm in my porch. This one has, I exactly don't remember, looks like ginger. No, actually that's a mango ginger. As soon as I took out the root, I can smell it. So let's take out. I am going to do the same thing, just break those roots. Look at the color inside this one, so amazing. And put them back into the container, the roots. So as you can see, this is the root. So I am going to go ahead and poke back that into the container. Let's check out now ginger. As you can see, lot of dry leaves here. So let's see what we got in this one. So this is the big giant root, and this one actually has mango ginger as well. So this is mango ginger. Let me show you. Look at that. So I think this one has a mix of a ginger and a mango ginger. Oh, this one is wonderful. Look at that. I got so many big mango ginger, and I'm going to poke back them into the container. Oh, look at this one. Oh, awesome. I cannot find a fresh turmeric and fresh mango ginger here where I live. Ginger I can get easily here in American grocery stores, but not this delicacies, and they are my absolutely favorites. So let's make a hole again and get them in again. Now that looks like a ginger root. Yeah, that's ginger too. As you can see, that's ginger. This one, look, this one has small. So even if you just pull them out, you can just put them back in. It's totally safe. They will grow again, but be sure to water them. And oh my god, look at this one. This one is amazing. So I'm going to keep the small ones in there. Alright, so I think that's like pretty much done. Let's see. While I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean them up a little bit, and then I'll poke them back in. But let's see here, what is here? Looks like a ginger. Oh, that's very stiff. Oh no, that's again all mango ginger. Oh my god, I'm going to have fun using all this. Huge root. Alright, so as you can see, I have cleaned up all the leaves from both of the containers, and now ready to regrow them inside the same container. I am going to put back all those roots inside again. Wash them. Look at them. I'm going to continue washing them. Alright, so look at all this turmeric and mango ginger. Alright friends, so now all the roots are clean. Look at this one. That's turmeric, mango ginger, and I have just a very few pieces of ginger. That's ginger. And let me know in the comment below, how would you use if you get some fresh ginger roots or turmeric roots? What would you make out of them, and how would you use it? I would love to hear that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, harvesting some healthiest root vegetables like turmeric, fresh turmeric, haldi, and a mango ginger. And yeah, don't forget to watch all my recipes that you can prepare using fresh turmeric and fresh mango ginger. Even you can make pickle, chutney, and jazz up your any meals with those chutneys or pickles. Taste amazing. Especially I love to have them with my any lentil curry or any lentil meals that I make, or Gujarati meal. Very healthy. If you eat this medicine, you won't need other medicines. So yes, enjoy. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.